Hello students, English shorthand 100 words per minute, ready for dictation. The word grade is derived from the Latin word gradus, where it means step. Grading is a process wherein subject may be classified on the basis of pro-defined standards. In educational context, grading is essentially a method of communicating measurements of students' achievements. It involves the use of a set of symbols that ought to be clearly defined and uniformly understood by the students, teachers, parents, and all other concerned. The absence of either of these will defeat the very purpose of awarding grades. While developing the grading system, it is of utmost significance that the meaning of each grading symbol be clearly spelt out. Having done so, it becomes obligatory on the part of each examiner to adhere to the specified system of grading. This would, however, in no way encroach upon the autonomy of the examiner to determine which grade to award to a particular student. A properly introduced grading system may not only provide for the comparison of students' performance but also indicate the quality of performance with respect to amount of efforts put in and the amount of knowledge acquired at the end of the course. There is no denying the fact that basis upon which the judgment of awarding the grades is made vary considerably from well-known institution and from examiner to examiner. There seems to be no common point of reference that makes it possible to compare grades awarded by different examiners and different institutions while using norms, referred measures. At best, the information that can be inferred from grades is a particular good student in a given course at a given time with a given teachers, either above average or below average. If used 3 points grade systems in terms of academic achievement, however, the comparison of students' performance across institutions may be made with reference to a specific criteria by employing reference measure. Thus, the grades may be used for conveying both the students' performance with reference to a specified criteria and also the relative position of students with reference to their peer group. The award of grades may serve a variety of purposes. Firstly, it gives an account of the extent to which the instructional objectives have been realized by the learner. Award of grades provide for a permanent record of learners' growth and development that might be helpful for institutions of higher learning and for employers. Thank you, students.